Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a second way of making pop-up cards. So in the last video I showed you the parallel crease, and in this one I'm going to show you the V-shaped crease. So keep watching. Coming up later in this video, what's inside? So there are two basic principles that you can use to create a pop-up card. And every single pop-up card that you will see is based on either parallel or V-folded pop-ups. So let's go ahead and create a simple V-folded pop-up with only one cut. So I'm using two same-sized papers and I'm folding them in half. And in this pop-up card, as mentioned, I will use the V-folded pop-up. And again, let's crease this properly. And as this is for Valentine's Day, we're making a pop-up heart. And this will be the pop-up part, and this will be the background part. So to cut out the heart part, I'm using the folded side, cutting the shape. Obviously you can draw a heart here if you want to make it more precise. I'm just gonna do eye measure and just quickly cut it like this. Like this. And then you fold this part down on itself, like that. Bend it to the other side, fold it this way, like that. Open it up, bend it out like this. There we go. Like that. And then when you open it up, it will pop out like this. There we go. I will glue this on to the background using normal glue stick. So we're gonna do these kind of heart cards in my art classes for the rest of the week and also next week until Valentine's Day. If you want to follow how we get on with the kids, do follow us on Instagram at ldnartnanny. So that is a super simple way of making a pop-up heart card without any painting. You just stick it on like this and then you can decorate it if you want or just write a little message inside. Alright, let's clear the desk and bring in the delivery. Let's check what's inside. And of course, we're gonna make something out of this cardboard at some point as well. The packaging is part of the fun. Here we go, I emptied the box and this is what was inside. Glue, paints for the kids, poster paints, canvases, ready stretched canvases for my art classes. I absolutely adore these little suitcases that I found online. And these are gonna go for the kids that take part of my art classes in London. And also I've got all of these cards to make Valentine's Day cards with the kids. And then all of these pipe cleansers in all different colors. We've got wooden hearts. We've got heart stickers. And a lot of these Easter stickers. And over here is a little paper mache Easter egg that we're gonna decorate and paint and then maybe put some chicks and Easter bunny inside and then hang it for Easter decorations. Okay, let's tidy up. Much better. The desk is clear for next project. Thank you very much for watching all the way till the end, and I appreciate every one of you. Subscribe to the channel if you're new on here, and I will see you very soon. Bye!